Kylee, and I am so excited you're here with me today because I'm on a special mission, and I could use your help. It's Dax's last week of preschool, ever. He starts kindergarten in the fall. He did such a good job this year making new friends and learning new things. I bet you did too. I need something extra special to celebrate him. A little treat. Let's see. Oh, look! Donuts? Yes, that is the perfect thing. Let's go.
Hey, welcome to Quack Daddy.
Thank you so much. It smells delicious in here. My name's Kylee.
I'm Andy.
Andy.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, here's my mission.
Okay.
It's my son's very last week of preschool.
Awesome.
He's done such a good job this year. We wanted to get him a special treat, and he loves donuts.
Okay.
So basically, we need your best donut that exists.
Well, one thing about here, you can make your own custom donut. So you choose your icing and your topping to each donut. So I think you're in the right place.
Whoa, there's a lot of choices.
Yeah, so we have 7 icings to choose from and 17 different toppings.
Wow, it looks super cool back there.
Yeah. So that's where we make all of our donuts back there.
Whoa, I've always wanted to take a tour of a place like this. It looks like just the exact kind of place that I would want to go behind the counter and tour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're in luck. I'm about ready to make some donuts. You want to come back and help me?
Yeah, we really do, Andy. That's awesome. Let's go. Whoa.
Come on back.
Wow. I can't wait to see how all this stuff works.
Yeah. So this is our fryer that makes the donuts for us. So we'll be...
Donut Robot Mark II. Okay, these always make me feel very official. This is the biggest bowl I've ever seen.
Yeah.
How many donuts do you make a day around here?
On the weekends, quite a few. So one cool thing with this donut robot, it can make about 45 to 50 dozen per hour about frying donuts.
45 to 50 dozen. And a dozen is 12?
12 in a dozen, yeah.
That's a lot of donuts.
So I know I can't eat that many, but hopefully our customers
I could
will.
try.
So
Big
first,
bowl.
Big bowl, we're gonna add some water to it. So if you wanna pour that water into there.
We do. A flourish, okay. Check.
Put our water in first, and then we add our mix.
Okay.
So you can dump that in, but do it very carefully, because if you dump it too fast, it's gonna make a big donut splash. So you can even if you want to, I can help you. Just scoop it in a little bit so it doesn't
Teamwork.
splash too much. Yeah. So we're gonna take our big bowl and come over to our big mixer here.
Do you have a name for this? Gerald or anything?
Well, so Hobart is the name of the mixer. So some of my employees call him Hobie.
Hobie. That's what I would have called him too.
So, and this is our big paddle.
Okay.
That'll mix it. So we'll put
wow, and it
this
just
in
attaches
here.
right on.
Attaches on there. And then if you want to pull this lever and pull it up towards you, that'll bring the bowl up.
Okay.
All the way up there. Good.
Cool.
And then we'll set it for a slow setting at first. And
Okay.
we'll do that for a minute, and then we'll set it a little bit higher of a setting. We don't want to start on a high setting because it'll just make a big donut.
Which
splash.
would be cool to see,
Yes.
but a little bit of a waste.
Yes.
Okay.
And a big mess too.
Okay, yeah.
So we'll get this set and we'll turn it on.
Oh, wow. This is making the perfect canvas for all that we're gonna put on this donut. A delicious canvas. It's changing already. At first, it was just really powdery. Now the water and all of that mix is getting mixed up, and it's getting smoother and stretchier. Oh, it stopped.
It's done.
Okay, now
So
what?
it's on an automatic timer, so we're gonna turn it up to the next speed. So it's gonna go a little bit faster. So are you ready?
Hobie is so smart. Yes.
Yes, here we go.
Whoa!
So that's gonna get it all really mixed in and ready to go.
Cool. I like that beat. Do you have a donut dance?
I really don't, but if I have to, I mean, that's kind of what it's shimmy here.
I like it. I like it.
It's all done mixing. So
Okay.
now we've got to get it out of the bowl and get it ready to put into the fryer.
Okay.
So we're going to be putting all of our mix into here, and our donut depositor will help us drop the donuts in there and help us make the donut hole.
Okay. A donut depositor.
Attach it onto here. Bring the bowl down.
I'm good at that part of
You are
donut
doing a great job. So we're going to scrape all of the mix off of here.
It's like the most delicious waterfall ever.
Yeah. So see how the consistency changed from that
It
powder?
did. Wow.
And now we're going to check over here and make sure all of our settings and everything is right for our donut robot. It's filled up with hot oil.
Okay.
And it's set for 380 degrees. This is our melter, so
Okay.
it'll help melt our oil.
That's cool.
And then we have a little hose here that can help fill it up when we need a little bit more. It'll help fill it up. There we go.
Whoa.
All right, and now you can let go. Perfect.
Whoa.
We want to scrape it all out of the container and get into the funnel, so we
We want all the donuts we
all
can.
the donuts we can. So this mix right here will make about 50 donuts. Once we start it, it'll start dropping donuts, and halfway through, it's gonna flip them over for us.
Cool. A donut somersault.
So we're gonna turn on our conveyor for the donut robot.
Okay.
So it's gonna go here,
Whoa.
and that'll take the donuts down, and then we'll turn on our funnel here, and here they come.
What? It drops out a perfect donut.
Yep, the oil's gonna cook each side. Halfway through, about a minute through, the spatula in the middle will flip it over.
I have a serious question.
Okay.
Has the donut robot ever spoken to you?
It is not,
Oh, okay.
but one day I feel like it could.
What? Do you get the sense that Mark II likes its job as a donut robot?
I do.
Okay.
I do. They're gonna come up the conveyor belt.
It's kind of like a ride.
We'll move them on this tray to cool here. So we're gonna pull them off of here on the tray.
Okay.
We're gonna put them in this rack to stay warm.
Cool. And zip them
so
up.
they stay warm in there.
It's like a little blanket.
Yeah.
Time for toppings.
Yes.
Will you show us what
Yeah,
our options
absolutely.
are?
We've got vanilla,
Okay.
chocolate, strawberry, caramel, maple, lemon, and glaze. And then we have all of these toppings here that you can do.
Oh my.
We have
goodness.
rainbow sprinkles, Oreo, chocolate chips, chocolate sprinkles, Reese's Pieces, M&M's, Fruity Pebbles, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, peanuts, coconut, graham cracker, and cinnamon sugar and powdered sugar.
It is a palette. A palette, my friends, of
There
toppings.
are thousands of combinations that you could do.
What's
So,
your favorite?
My favorite is chocolate with peanut butter drizzle that I failed to mention there.
You didn't even tell me there was
I know.
peanut butter drizzle.
And then we have sea salt over here that we can use.
All right, with some caramel.
Yes, it's very
Yes,
good.
yes.
And the last one that I didn't mention that's not over here because it's in a little special warmer. In this crock pot over here, we have bacon.
Bacon?
Bacon.
Okay, let's get our donuts and get creating.
Yeah. So first, we'll need something to put our donuts in.
Our mouths.
Well, that's
Oh.
I think the in part.
Okay, yeah, there's probably a
So
step
first
in
we gotta make
between.
them first, so we're gonna put them in a box.
Oh,
here.
awesome.
We're gonna put our warm donuts into our box.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I have
And we'll
12
bring 'em
donuts.
back over here to our counter.
Okay,
So I'm gonna make my favorite first,
'Kay.
which is chocolate and peanut butter drizzle.
okay,
So we take our donut
okay.
and one thing about our icing, you always have to stir it before you dip it. Because if we try to dip it right now,
That did not work.
that didn't work. So we're gonna dip it down in the icing just a little bit. And then we're gonna pour it off. Bring it over to our box here. Set it in. Grab our peanut butter. And do a nice drizzle on there.
Ooh, you're an artist. You are a donut artist.
You wanna try and make one yourself? Give
yeah.
it a try?
Yes.
All right.
Can I bring my friend?
Absolutely.
Okay, together we can do this. Oh, the hardest part is making the decision.
No.
Okay, well, my favorite color is yellow. I
Okay.
think lemon is delicious. So I'm gonna start there just as a practice so that we can get Dax's perfect. Okay? So
Sounds
this
good.
is the lemon, right?
There's the lemon. Yep.
Okay. Stir it up.
All mixed in there so it's ready to dip.
Donut.
And then that's the top side there. So
Okay.
you want to dip that part in first.
Here we go. Like that?
Yep. Pull it straight up. Let it run off and give it a little twist. Flick of the wrist.
Flick of the wrist. Ooh, thanks. Okay, now I put it in here and pick a topping. Friend, what do you think would look beautiful and taste delicious? Lemon? I'm gonna say
That was gonna be what I was gonna tell you. to
very
do.
colorful, little crunch.
You will take your donut and then just dip it right.
Oh, another
down on
dip.
top.
This is so fun. I need more donut art in my life. What is the most popular kind of donut? Like, what's the one that you make the most?
Probably our maple bacon is one of our more popular ones. So I definitely think we need to put one of those,
Yes,
those
yes.
in here.
Should we just make a whole bunch of different
Yeah,
kinds?
we can just make a whole bunch of different kinds. We can do a bunch of different icings.
Okay.
A bunch of different toppings here.
Yes. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
What is your favorite thing about owning a donut shop besides the donuts,
Well,
obviously?
I love the community aspect and people coming in, and donuts are a happy thing.
Yeah,
So
they are.
When people are coming in for donuts, they're usually happy and in a good mood. So we like to have it a fun experience when they come in, and watching them make the donuts and the smiles on the kids and even the adults' faces
Yes.
when we're doing it.
I love art that makes people happy and brings people together. We always say that the best kind of art is art you can share, and this is art you can share and then eat together, which is even better. We have one left.
You have one left.
Okay, we have one left, and do you remember our important mission? Our important mission was to make Dax the donut that would celebrate his amazing school year. All right. Well, what do I know about Dax? He is fun.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time.
He's colorful. He loves lots of different things. So I think we need a topping that's like fun and colorful and like lots of little pieces that come together into something awesome. Any ideas?
Those rainbow sprinkles there.
Dax is a rainbow sprinkle kind of guy. So is my friend. They are incredible. Okay, rainbow sprinkles and oh, I know. So Dax and a lot of my friends are about to start kindergarten or a new school year. And that reminds me of a blank canvas. Like that year is gonna be full of new things. So I think vanilla. White, like a fresh canvas ready to have any new friends or ideas or just experiences on it. So I'm ready. Do you want to do the honors?
No, I think you should do this one.
Okay. Dax friends, this one's for you. Yes. He's gonna love it.
Pretty good looking box of donuts.
It is
there.
beautiful. I would hang this on my wall. It wouldn't last very long because I would eat it. but I could hang it on my wall. It's amazing.
All right, so here you go.
Thank you so much. Here you go.
Thank you.
Andy, thank you so much for giving us this tour, for showing us how to use the donut robot, my favorite part actually, and for all this deliciousness.
You're welcome. You did a great job, Kylie. Thanks
Thank
for coming
you.
in, and hopefully Dax loves his extra special donut that you made.
I have no doubts that he will. Thank you. Have a great day.
Come back and see us.
It's time to pick up Dax from school. Thank you so much for joining me on this extra secret special mission of celebrating him. Since we made more than one special donut, I thought we could celebrate more than one special kid today and share these donuts with some of the kids at Dax's school who also did, just like you did, an amazing job growing and learning this year. I wish I had a quadrillion, million, bajillion donuts to send to every one of you. If you want to hang out with me more, you know I want to hang out with you. Just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. All right, let's go do this.
Wet daddy donut.